Here are the Morse codes that had served to communicate with the ships that passed on the St. Lawrence between 1920 and 1960. This means of communication has almost disappeared in 1958. This means is only used by militaries, spying agencies and other secret organizations today. In these past times, Grondines swarmed with various activities. Today, in those times of tourism and attraction monuments, it is somewhat less active. But all the same, there are people who come in this peaceful, restful, serene and calm place. They like it and love its tranquility. Grondines is really a place you could love as well. Come numerous.